Hey there, in this video we will walk you through setting up Surfshark on your Windows PC from downloading to installing and exploring all the must-know features. First, head over to surfshark.com. Download on your Windows. If you are using a regular PC, select VPN app for Windows. If you have an ARM-based PC like a Windows Surface, choose VPN app for Windows ARM64. You can also download it from the Microsoft Store. Once downloaded, open the installer. If you prompted, click yes to allow changes. Then hit install and wait for the setup to complete. The app should launch automatically. To log in, click the blue login button. If you don't have an account, you can also log in with Google, Apple or Microsoft. After logging in, click Quick Connect to join the fastest available server. You will see a connected and safe status. To disconnect it or pause the VPN, use these buttons here. Surfshark offers over 3,200 servers in 100 plus countries to connect to a specific location. Just click on it. You can also favorite your servers for quick access. Need extra security? Try multi-hop to route through 2 countries or static IP for a consistent address. Dedicated IP is also available for an additional cost. In the setting menu, you can enable auto connect to launch the VPN at startup. CleanWeb blocks ads, trackers and malware. Kill switch ensures your internet is cut off if the VPN disconnects, keeping your data safe. If you are facing connection issues, try switching VPN protocols here. You can also use bypasser to exclude specific apps or websites from the VPN. Surfshark is more than just a VPN. Alternative ID creates a fake identity for online anonymity. Surfshark alerts, monitors data breaches, and notifies you if your credentials are compromised. There is also Surfshark Antivirus, a lightweight security tool for Windows 10 or later. And if you are tired of ad-heavy search engines, try Surfshark Search, a private search tool with no tracking. And that's it. Use setup and use Surfshark on Windows. If you have any questions, check out Surfshark's 24/7 support via live chat or email. Also, be sure to watch our next video right here.